What is going on, everybody? All you cheap DIYers out there, welcome back to another episode of my pathetic life as a homeowner. In this episode, we are gonna be talking about the water filter in your fridge. But first, every project starts off with a cold beer, so let's have one. Cheers. Alrighty, I'm working with a goddamn Samsung here. I'm sure most other fridge manufacturers have a similar style, so it should be common across the board. But on your fridge, you might have a filter indicator, as you might not see here. Welcome to Samsung and its garbage appliances, which I've had many battles with, like this one. Follow me along as I rip this Samsung piece of shit apart and see what the problem is. I don't even know. This thing's barely even 2 years old. What the f is Samsung doing these days? Building this shit in North Korea? F. And also TVs suck too, like this situation. Next step in this process is taking your goddamn TV and you throw it in the pool because it sucks. Other episodes, subscribe if you want to watch those or dig them up. But back to the water filter. Yes, the screen doesn't work. It's so dull, you can kind of see there's a filter change. Anyways, long story short, your fridge will indicate when a filter should be changed. I wish my liver had the same indication, however, it's not replaceable anytime soon. So, open your fridge up, and you're gonna notice right down center in the middle here, there's this cool little knobby right there. That will be your filter, and that is what we are gonna be taking off. So this thing is a bit of a pain in the ass to turn, but usually taking it out's easy, putting it back in's another problem. So let's twist counterclockwise to unlock, and boom, the filter comes out. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna read all this stuff on this filter here, Samsung filter, blah, 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 and then you go on the wonderful world of the internet and you order one of these. We got one off of Amazon. Now, let's take the one we got out of Amazon and put it back in and see if we can do this really easily. But if anybody knows an easier way to do this, please let me know. All right. Filter, new filter, Amazon, Samsung filter, boom, boom. What do we got here? Comes in some nice plastic. We're gonna have to rip that apart. And I only have one hand free right now. This isn't working at all. Hold on, there we go. Come on, motherfucker. There we go. Ripping into it. Comes with a cap. All right, simple as that. That's all you get. Now, time to insert this thing. So it's pretty straightforward. You do a little bit of an insert and a bit of a twist, and boom, it should pop right in. And that's that. Then you take your old filter, wherever I put it here, and you find a sweet way to dispose of it, like this pool. Ooh, it's sunny. Once you get rid of your old filter, you come back to your fridge, and you're gonna push your little filter button, or the alarm button in my case, and you're not gonna see shit because this stupid fridge sucks balls. But you push it and hold it for 3 seconds, and it should make the filter go away. Filter's good, it's back to blue, not red. Once filter is put in, run a gallon of water through it to get all the crap out of the filter. That's it, easy project. Hope you enjoyed it, hope you were entertained. Have yourself a damn beer, and cheers till next time. Please subscribe.